You alright, mate? You good, mate? Alright, should we help our bro up? You good, bro? He needs a couple of tampons. Alright. Dumbass. So I want to go in the forest. I need to find where I want to live. Oh, smoke. There's smoke over there. Now, do I want to be aggressive? Do I want to fucking kill whoever I see? Or should I try to be sneaky? I might start by being sneaky just because I don't know what I'm fucking dealing with. Sticky stick? I'll need that to wipe my fucking ass later. There's no toilet paper out here, mate. Oh, fuck. Oh, his head got stuffed in his fucking gut. Ooh, fucking noodles. This is kind of a nice area. Like, I'm liking this. I bet so many people would build their house on the beach. But, it's not what I want. I'm just gonna go up this. Oh! Hide. There's a cannibal up ahead. We're probably best just to leave him alone. I think we could go up this river up here. We don't want to upset anyone this early until we gotta. Fucking hell, you scared me, Calvin, you fucking asshole. It's getting kind of dark. I want to find a sort of safe area to camp. I don't know if I want to do it right in the open. Oh, what the fuck's that? What the fuck is going on here? You will find meaning in life again. What the fuck? Is this some fucking gay cult? What the fuck? Oh, spider on my face. Oh. Oh, that's creepy. You can't run in... That spider could fly. There's fucking flying spiders in this game. That's hard out. Alright, well, I don't want to camp near these fucking things. Where's my tape? Stick. Knife. Yes! Cool. Yes! Got it. Sorry, Rocket. Oh, you know I'm taking his fucking head. Oh, sorry, Mr. Raccoon, but I'm doing some savage shit too, bro. I just got to this island. I'm putting my fucking mark. I'm making my mark. I put fucking dead raccoons everywhere I go. That's savage as hell. He leaves dead. They leave dead heads of people. I leave fucking dead animals everywhere. String this motherfucker up. That's scary. Yo. Oh. Okay. I want to see what's in here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I assume this makes a torch. Okay. Okay. I got a torch. Seeing what the fuck's in this cave. I'm a savage, by the way. First night going into a cave, that's some alpha shit. They sound like they're behind me. They sound like they're running behind me. It's fucking scary. Okay. Some little babies. Little babies wanna fucking die? Bitch. Get real. I run out of. You dead? Die and burn. I want your bones. I'm gonna try and drive back to my base. Yeah, he's making a bit of noise. Sounds like he's getting like a fucking vibrator shoved up his ass. Yeah, he definitely has a fucking butt plug in. Oh, does he fucking see me? How the fuck do you see me? Oh my god. I could take them. Alright. Anything I can take? Rope. I need rope. I'm stealing your shit, bro. Yeah, fuck you. Give me that. Give me your shit, bitch. Yeah, fuck you. Give me that. You fucking asshole. Okay, I'm out of here. You hit me. Where's my rod? Oh, this perfect spot. Fuck yeah, this is a prime spot. Where's Calvin? Is it burnt? No. Primo. Where's Calvin? Fuck, he's a dumb idiot. Where did I leave him? He's all the way at the last base. Fucking idiot. I'm gonna go get him, I need him. Oh, what's this? Yo. Rest in peace. Thanks for the fucking X. Where are you, mate? Still picking up sticks. Bro. Stop. Let's go. Hurry up, Kevin, you fucking idiot. It's fucking raining, I had to come pick you up. So you're too fucking stupid to follow me to the new house. Fucking idiot. Come on. Hurry up. No time to eat. Oh, watch out, Kevin. Kevin. Oh. Fucking leave him alone. Retard. You okay, Kevin? Follow me. Oh, what the fuck? There's a bitch behind you. Alright, you fucking dozy ass. Alright. Oh, look how beautiful it is after the rain stopped. Come on, Kevin. Catch! Oh, come on, Kevin. I'm just joking. Get up. Let's go. Come on, Kevin. Oh, that's funny. Watch out! Fucking idiot. Whoa! Whoa! Watch out, retard. Whoa! Dang. Get fucked. That's where the head went. Done. Fuck off. Now, I've got a house. Well, look at a tower. Sweet.